Our big five is under which goes to Talago, Skoko. Oh, I'm going to Papa Skoko, 7 Perfection, Yaga Dream, Puka the Poet, Black Child. Exactly. Yeah, I see.
Zulu bambulele Zulu, ye Zulu bambulele, yakalinga chazo. Zulu bambulele Zulu, ye Zulu bambulele, yakalinga chazo. Zulu bambulele Zulu, ye Zulu bambulele, yakalinga chazo. Zulu bambulele Zulu. Malume ngawele, malume ngawele, malume ngawele, kitsori matata. Malume ngawele, malume ngawele. Malume ngawele kitsori matata. Zulu bambulele Zulu, ye Zulu bambulele, yakalinga chazo. Zulu bambulele Zulu, ye Zulu bambulele, yakalinga chazo. Malume ngawele, malume ngawele, malume ngawele kitsori matata. Malume ngawele, malume ngawele, malume ngawele kitsori matata. Langa ikhosila mina izomphendula, ngelinye ilanga ikhosila mina izomphendula. Hura Mazda shall defeat Angrama Inyu. Hura Mazda shall defeat Angrama Inyu. Geta kahulu balaino fatari mazgel geta kahulu balaino fatari mazgel geta kahulu balaino fatari mazgel geta kahulu balaino fatari mazgel. Jesus kedamo nungere Jesus Ketamo wongeli Jesus ketamo wongeli Jesus Zare ay machal Zare ho bi ay machal Zare leha nka tsamaya khohlong ya moriti wa lefu nkeke ka tshwa bobele ha bolebong hoba le re la hae le sikokotlelo sa hae ke tsona tse ntshidisang o teka tafole pela kapo ntshenya diratsa kapo dibeng ba mahlomola ke bitsa ho yena Jehova bo dibeng ba mahlomola ke bitsa ho yena qhoboshiane ya ka ya bophelo bo dibeng ba mahlomola ke bitsa ho yena modimo ya matla bo dibeng ba mahlomola ke bitsa ho yena Ramasedi bo dibeng ba mahlomola ke bitsa ho yena mmupi wa lefatshe bo dibeng ba mahlomola ke bitsa ho yena qhoboshiane ya ka ya bophelo. Bana beso ke tsohetswe bana beso ke tsohetswe bana beso nna ke tsohetswe ana la ngutwa ke tsohetswe tsohetswe ke moya wa o aha dithotokiso ka na plate ka le tsholela ke le kgetsolela tabagolo e sentabanyana nna ke tsohetswe. Oh, skabebe wa leta wa ntshwetsa ka magabunyana ma sia fela ntho tse sena molemo bo Black Child bo aya bulela jankisi bo gifutobedi bo 7 Perfection nna ke tsohetswe. Bua le wena motho ya motshehadi ke re banna marumo fatshe hoba tsohle tsa lefatshe ke di shebela fatshe ke di tadimme fatshe hoba tsohle di fatshe. me nyabuketso yeo ke siang kgetlong la ka jeno ke potso ha se potso empa nthwana ke se go potso go wena ke nana fela ke ipotsa dipotso di mana fela hore ke hobaneng ke ka hobaneng a e motona a sebete sa fothola e motshadi meriri banna le sebete sa o beya tau se tswetse le ba robala le ntse le ba tswetse nna ke tswetswe nna ke tswetswe bana beso nna ke tswetswe Mosotho wa kgale o la tjho a re monna ha le ke nku o llela kare indoda ayikhali ikhalela ngaphakathi ya kaofela re a tseba but some of them have the tendency to cry and suicidal thoughts ha a tsamaya o skalla ngwaneso iphumule dikeledi tseo iphumule menyepetsi eo iphumule dikeledi tseo hoba those provocation seekers are not worth the title nna ke tsohetswe There is no night without a dawning, no winter without a spring, and beyond the dark horizon, our hearts will once more sing, for those who leave us for a while have only gone away out of a restless careworn world into a brighter day. Toro yankasi ilibaling. The dream I will never forget. I wish I never slept, but I must just accept that it was a horrible dream indeed. It felt as if I'm in a movie. On the other hand, it sounded groovy. I'm alone in a dark and spooky dungeon that had whispering and scary musical sounds. Shivered body. You could see my black eyes telling a story. A threatening, lightning, thunderstorm, storm and wind. Dark and crying clouds outside on the sky, asking myself why. Why? My face faced forward. When I turned back, I saw a beast incarnate. A shadow creature that shaped like a barbarian monster. Sleep paralysis held me hostage. Crying, screaming and shouting. But it seemed I'm unanswered. Screaming again. It took the preciousness of mankind and stormed all his life.
What's up, guys? How are you doing?
Today's day, it is the day to celebrate. It is the day to think for all what the world have done to the beautiful, charming color pink. They made her that day. They chased her that day. They stormed all her life, and her black eyes could say, a woman with self-arrested courage. They found her so helpless. They made her to cry. They forced her way out and learned her to cry. But let me say a word full of hope. She made her way out and learned how to cope. Ena ketso ke kotlo kabelo terongo ha se mang khabiki ke komatsi khangkholo ha se mi utlwa ke ba bitla fela utlwa eng sello samang samusadi o yatsang o yalla molato ba ya motlatlapa I row and I row with a silent voice of the silent man. Thunderstorm, storm and lightning, cutting thoroughly through throats of ruffled families, families of a mother, families of a father, silent voice of the man. Fathers are no more fathers but feathers. Yes, feathers to wipe up the dust due to unemployment. Unemployment is no empowerment. So a poor man who is to be a man, to maintain and mandate to be a man. Yes. Voice of the silent man. from human to human and humiliation, dishonesty, disorder to destruction, destruction to deformation. Voice of the silent man. Make her not a punching bag, rather by yourself a punching bag. No woman, no human, no child is a punching bag. Gender equality is not gender inequality. Listen, the silent voice of a baby crying. Babies are not substitute for baby mamas. So react, respond, respect, retrospect, and be responsible. Yes, I'm talking remedy to rectify and end gender-based violence. Thank you.
Please.
Izinkondlo ziyaphilisa kepha thina imbongi sithi ukuphila bese kuphile sona kithi ngakho uma sinihayela sona zimpolisi thokoza nkondlo ngibhubesi inkosi yazo zonke izilwane ngibonga ngamagama ayizinhlamvu kusho khona ukuthi ngizulu lezandla ngiyabulala ngenkondlo mani ngibona nithi bayede labafowethu emalini ngamathuna amadoda endleleni ukuvuleka kwamathanga ukondleka kwemindeni shumayela kwabafundisi ukukoleka kwabantu emabandleni ungafungi South Africa yazalelwa emanyaleni ngathi Sister Bettina intsha yadlubusha bayo ya Sheba the Future ingababoni bekanje laba bebangamagama baya mangaza mina njengoba sebabhindi inkosi sikelela nenkosi yahluleka ukungenelela ingakho lesi sizwe siphele Kosi yaphela imzansi ngenxa yosomapolitiki abangogombela kwesabo ukuduma kwezulu lezandla ukubulalana kosomatekisi washo umthetho wathi you have the right for freedom of speech omunye wathi the truth shall set you free ngakhohlwa ukuthi everything has a fee Vuleka inhlabathi ngafela amalungelo ami umthandazo kalova ukushinda kwezigebengu intandanenhle ngumakhotha nguninga isifiso sentandano ukuthi unine buye yasho ingane yathi khuphuka msomnyama isalukazi sathi kanjani ngoba umkhonto uhlezi ugwaze njalo ekhaya isitha somuntu omnyama ngumuntu omnyama asifuni ukubona omnye wethu eyaphambili sijabulela bona kuba iqashalala zondlebe zikhanyilapho there's power in ways, there's power in the color of our skin. Melanin has been deemed as a sin. In the eyes of others, our birth has never been a blessing. So we sing songs that plead guilty of our wrongdoing so that one day we don't die for our sins. There's power in ways, there's power in the color of our skin. When they say black is power, I realize that Uta Hakuna Manta, even though Aluta continues to be a scar in every dark skin. So we keep praying for this transgression to stop feeding us aggression. And April hasn't fallen too far from the tree. Not yet Uhuru, for the language that came in ships is sweet enough to sugarcoat each and every situation into a candy that they keep on feeding us, for us to forever remain blind and bind in these chains and them forever being the masters of these slaves. There's power in ways, there's Power in the color of our skin. Travels faster than light. Time is a thief. We lose moments to tell tales. There's no coffin heavier than the coffin of a person who departed striving to succeed. As you bury the body, you also bury the shattered dreams and finished missions. For he soldiered on with his fingers crossed, but the pastures were far from his sight. A walk of shame carried the casket to the grave. As he rests in peace, broken pieces are left with us for the world to see how much of a villain the universe is. Memories of self-motivation, no pain, no gain. My words will give me fame, but reality fades and joy inflames. So we watch everything fade. The correct statement at an unpleasant moment. It's never the truth if it could be easily swallowed. Someone's demise is another person's remark. After he's laid in his last home, after tears, his rivals use another way of fighting when the board is not able, uttering words like Bekati uzophelela ufe ehlupheka efana nathi, trying to hide the guilt within, for he was everything they wanted to be but they ain't.
I was 7.
Aye, 7.
It's funny. It's funny how we live for people who never died for us.
Yeah.
Carry their dreams on our shoulders while they carried our names into dark rooms. You've seen us doing the wrong things for the right reasons. We've become sinners, biting more than we could chew, only to be screwed. Walking miles to see them smile. We cared about the wicked, only for our backs to be stabbed, and the only people behind them are the people we are protecting.
Yeah.
But when the sun gave birth to the moon and stars, my father fetched us from visiting our dreams in order to play my favorite game. He said, son, let's play hide and seek, but this time I want us to play differently. I want you and your mother to go and stand over there so that you can be camouflage and I'll come and find you. Instead of us hearing ready or not, here I come, head, run away as fast as you can. That was the last time we saw my father. My mother said my father sacrificed himself so that she could die for me and I could live for her. Mutation had a touch of pain, a scar that cuts too deep. But my mother would wear the trouser and sing lullaby songs for his conscience to rest in peace, so she could bend the city for me to see tea. Being poured in the most expensive cups for me. How dry land turned its back on her for rain to be foreign to me. How her hands destroyed the world in order for them to build me. She wore that trouser for so long that she forgot how to dream. Finally, karma got its chance. Through its best punch, hit her so hard that she ended up on a hospital bed. At that time, tables have turned. It was my turn. Supposed to pay a medical bill, but gave my girlfriend money to make her happy. My mother's body and soul got divided. Only to find out on her funeral that I was just a side nigga. Blood is thicker than water, but I diluted it. Made water to be thicker than blood. Now the echoes of regret are suffocating me. If you get a chance, live for those who died for you and die for those who live.
Don't
she us. Ngelinye ilanga bayosithanda ngenkani ke bangazuthi sibadlela umuthi. Ngelinye ilanga bayosithanda ngenkani ke bangazuthi sibadlela umuthi. Siyobe sigcwele kuma-wallpaper wamafoni ngidlala iy'nkondlo zethu kuma-ringtone. Bayos-unblocka nabasibhlokha bayosikhumbula sebasikhohlwa. Ngelinye ilanga sexosha indlala nayo iyozixolisa ithi bidlala. Kukhona bathi kuyophela siyofana kanti uma kuphela sizofana. Ngelinye ilanga bazosithanda ngenkani ke bangazuthi sibadlela umuthi. Sizoniphakela iy'nkondlo kancane nidle ningasuthi ukuze nizosheshe nilambe nikhiphe imali nisibhukhe futhi ngelinye ilanga. Bafana bami ngimdala, ngimdala. Ngimdala bafana bami ngimdala. Ngimdala bengisacela udelela. Emlomeni nami ngikhipha umlilo niyongikhuza sengishilo. Ngihlanganisa izaga nezisho ungazusho talking to myself isisho. Inkondlo yidliso ngokuyidla usonke ngenhloso. Bese sibone ku leadership einkondlo zothando lapha ngilast kuma relationship. Mina ngiyimbongi nje anginayo imali yokukhokhela igym amandla sembhalweni. Bengicela uma ngehla kule stage ningangilandeli ngoba no something Soweto wehla enabalandeli sanibonani. Mama Sita, beauty like Rina, usulala nama Somalia macharina. I am no longer your boyfriend. You chose my friend nasimgcina ngobuso wena mazi umzimba wonke my friend. You can't even count. You can't even count your body count. You only care about your bank account. Ubali profit nama loss uhlanyiswa i-refresh nama stylos. Uhethekile ngasikolweni ufeyile. Ushiyele sisu my friend uphindile. Buyela kini ngoba ingane zakho zikulindile. Bewuthi uthanda kakhulu ukudla kwamakula ngoba kuyababa. Buka namhlanje ingane zakho ziyokhula zingenababa Mama Sita. Beauty like Rina, Macharina. Ngimdala bafana bami ngimdala ngimdala. Inkinga nina senayibulala iphoyethu. Senayibulala iphoyethu ingakho ngithi we therefore commit these words to the ground. Yes. Earth to earth, ashes to ashes, dust to dust. In the loving memory of poetry, gone but never forgotten. In words it spoke, in thousand it heals. Poets, don't you remember? It gave us the medication to heal the nation, but all we wanted was attention. Poetry died, you know what? You never paid attention. See, they say legends never die, they multiply, but today we see with our own eyes that legends only live once. Once upon a time, something happened to the motion, meaning to words of poetry, unspoken words of facts, not opinions, based on reality, not feelings. What happened to the rhyme, flow, and peacefulness of poetry? Naze nasibulala isizwe phela inkondlo yiphilisi ngoba inkondlo iyaphilisa kumanje yangihlanyisa ngoba inokungivusa ngilele bese yangibhalisa qedwe yangihayisa sekunokuyibhala sakhala ithi inkondlo ngikuyihlo mbongi ngiyakuzala kepha ngiyabona lana kulele kunye ngisho noma sekubila kaze kwavusana ngikhuphuka ngabanye kwapoetry nenyathelana
Umziwa kwaNkondlo uswaphenduka umzofayo ngoba njalo ngonyaka nonyaka kukhona ufayo. Rest in peace Nkondlo. Don't even rest, return if possible. Don't forget to tell them that you left your voices behind. Even poison doesn't kill nowadays. Abantu babulawa iqiniso banqotshela umoya. Thina silapha ubuzolapha. Owabulala wena Nkondlo nesihoko asimfanele. Wathola igame ishisa kuwo wonke ama categories poetry number 1. Noma isingaqhathaniswa, isingafaniswa, isingafana. Asazi isingafana nesibhedlela samagama esiyimap yokuphilisa abahappy nabahead nabanempilo ezisengcupheni kodwa poetry namhlanje semaweni. Ashes to ashes, ipeni ephepheni, ipain enhliziyweni, the voice of poetry emqondweni. Hey, umdala. Ngimdala bafana bami. Ngimdala. Hey mantombazane mina ngiyawuyeka umjolo. Nakule game yenu ofuna ucengwa ningcount out ngoba mina ngiyashesha ukudoya. Uyabona ngafaka wonke umuntu engangimthanda bese inhliziyo yabola. Kunalomuzwa enguzwa ngedwa njalo mangibulawa ngumzwa ngedwa. Ngizithole sengikhuluma ngedwa talking to myself ngilezizitshelayo. Angithi nina nakuma first meetups nina nesikhumula ikipa. Awule simbonile emotweni. Ayifihla ngathi labantu ababhala amanamba ama-abortion emabondeni. Omunye abhala kaqedi. Uthi diakhumbulekaya.com. Ngihambe ngifunana nesimilo sami esihamba umathanda kumanje pride yangibulala kunzima ukusilanda. Nale nje i-ex yami maniyibona izibeni. Ngoba kwaseqaleni asazi ukuthi yini yamehlisa emzimbeni. Hey mina ngiyahamba emjolweni ngibuyele ebucikweni. Ngiyothandana ney'nkondlo zami ngoba mina nazo sothandana size sifike ekufeni. Nginokuzibhala ebumnyameni kuze kube sekuseni kumanje I am talking to myself ngilezizitshelayo. Lintshwareleng haeba ke ile ka lehlaba ka marumo ha ke a hlama ha ke iketse ke ngwana badimo ke laolwa ke moya ditaola di a bua ditoro di a mfehla ena ha se pha badimo empa e le thothokiso ha ke se thoto ha ke re ke se thothokisi di erekisi ha ke di rekisi empa pitsi nka e qhaleha botsang lebitla le ba tsekisang bafu ba ithobaletse lefatshe le ba kakatletse le hodimo le ba amoetse tsena tsohle ke manyampetla mmetla khotla mo lefika le metlego le tletlerwang teng kgwedi ya aparelwa ke maru le kase la sekama botibong tlase mokoting ralla sa mokotsane harola sebata seboko bohloko ho kenella masapong pero tsa rona di robehile rwatla di thutswana madi a qhoma fatshe le poqong di keledi di fetohile sidiba sa metsi a tshetsweng ka letswai ka rankgo ya metsi moya o setse fela o solla sebakeng se bakeng ma melang ke a manolla kodiyamalla baka mahlomola mmele ya rona e setse e le maqebaqeba fela moya o so itswela fela bana meng kodi ya malapa ka mahlomola tsietsi ya tswala tshotleho bana ba masea ya sala e le dikgutsana hutu ke ukantse le ipotsa dipotso le re morena phoka gobane mo etsa kodi ya malla ga o bone batho bana ba utlwile bohloko ntse ba thonkga ke re ditopo di ya kae ga e ka di feta mabitla wena pelo a ko gaoane le tse ngata tsa lefatshe gobane kaofela ke mafumedi a fela pelo gaoana le bafu ba ileng goba ba tsamaile ditlalla tse bohloko di gagate di fete gobane kaofela ke mafumedi a fela ke ha kaka e kala ke hawe nka ntshweno goba ga ena kotsi ke dutse ke shebile fela setšhaba se a fela mabitla a bona le basadi a thotse a mametso ba ke a bua ke kopa go bua ga ke gane ditoro le ditalente re na le tsona empa ditoro le ditalente tse re nang le tsona di tswalletswe lefatsheng la ditlokotsi di tshobotsi ke masisa pelo bophelong ga re tlholehe ka goba re tlholeile re tlholeha ko o tlholeha gape o tlholeha ga re tlholeile ko o tlholeha ke ka hoo ke reng eloi lama sabakathani modimo wa ka o ntloeletse nna moya wa ka ga o re ke a dumela moya wa ka ga o re ke a dumela moya wa ka ga o re ke a dumela goba bosiu eo ke hlaileng ka bona mohla lefatshe le na leng kamogela ntate o ile a ntsha lebitso a re ke senatla ramabanta monna popota wa o tshwara tau ka ditlheng ntate o ile a re ke nna samson phuka yaba moya wa ka o re ke a dumela goba bosiung boo mawatleng dikepe ne di teba ma wa tate meya e ne e ba tshira ma godimo maru a tshebile ga ne ke tswa ka re popelo ya mme moya wa hae ga o phomole ka kgotso ke moya o phetseng gale phiri tsa bagale di botswa di utolla go nna ke jere sebete sa o thea dithaba meriti ke a tlameha go teba ka mokgona goba ke phatswe ke ngaka tse thata bo morena matete ke a tetebela ga ditšho tšena goba neo ya ka e kakile baprofeta bo ntšhemedi ba kakile di ba tlatsitse ditlhage di tlhasuthu nthetsa legwedi ke itse ke a tlameha go teba ka mokgona goba ngwana mošanyana ke kabelo-manong le bitla la ngwane motona le ka thuko go tsela ke bopaki ba o tlhatlhoba mafika a ntse a thotse boima ba o reketlisa lefatshe ga ke gata matla a o kganna letsatsi matsatsi e seng letsatsi ke itse ke a tlameha go teba ka mokgona moya ka nnete o dumetse ke mametse me ga e sontweng ya leleme e ntshepetse mabaka phoka phoofolo o kgaqolla kgankgang le ga dithunya di nka kgala tsa kganyakganya ga ke tshwere molamu ba ya phasa-phasa go baleya go tshaba ga madi a rotha ke itse ke ngwana mosotho lapeng heso monyako o kwala o bulwa ka thapelo ga ke potele e kgotlwang ka lehlaka e hleka e a hlaka thothokiso ke kapa rampa ya bosiu nako ke a dithotsela kganyapa mmele wa ka o tletse maqebaqeba phafa ke ngwapile ke tsa maqheku le maqhekwana ke ka hoo ke reng le tlabe le sa fosa le ka re morena phoka koroni le moqhaka di a o tshwanela phoka ke a tshepa ke utlwahetse
The time is right. I
khumbula umdala kamsizi umuntu ongayisizi yena usizo yisiza.
I says remember, when you are sleeping, just dreaming. Wake up, open your dreams for a morning. Manifest. How do you manifest to a man who don't have money? I've been asking such questions, I don't get any response. Pause.
Nitshele nalaba ababalekele ezikolweni ukuthi izinto zimane kuyenzeka uphase esikolweni ufele empilweni kanti kuyenzeka uphase empilweni ufelile esikolweni.
Kenzeka impela. Hayi kenzeka. Hayi suka majola.
Iqiniso emangeni lawa ngamanga eqinisweni. Iqiniso emangeni lawa ngamanga nje eqinisweni. Thina siphila iqiniso emhlabeni wamanga. Sinokukhuluma iqiniso sibe siphila yona impilo yamanga. Le ndaba indida iyadida nani izondida. Sinokukhuluma into esiyaziyo sitshela abangazi ukuthi bazi. Babone ngathi sebeyazi kanti cha kabazi. Ngoba lokho batshela khona ukuthi bangakwenzi naku manje bayakwenza base bayaphindelela. Iphutheni iphutha ufunda kwelinye iphutha inhloso seyaphenduka iphutha ngoba kwenza ihlosile namhlanje kusasubiza ngephutha usukukhohlwa ukuthi umuntu ufuna lokho akutshalile. Ngoba nesikhathi manje asisafani nesikhathi sakudala. Ngingumprofethi ngasikhathi ngihamba nesiprofetho. Ngikusonkondlo ngihamba ngenkondlo. There is no difference between a poet and a prophet. Umehluko ukuthi mina mangikuphilisa kangiyidingi imali yakho vele wena kawunayo imali. Lalele. Isikhathi samanje asisafani nesikhathi sakudala. Kudala besazi abantu besifazana abavuka ekuseni ntasabusa bayoshangela ibala. Namhlanje bavuka ekuseni ntasabusa ukuyoma emabondeni baphenduka ondabeni ayimanwa lokwenzeka nasemingcwabeni. Basiyogqokana wenengcwabeni kaSindi lo ngasinda ngengozini yemoto. Uthi omunye uyofaka inzipho inkophe konke ngoba bagqoka emijayivweni sebagqoka nasemingcwabeni. Abagqoka emijayivweni sebagqoka nasemingcwabeni. Awu. Thina besazi ukuthi ibhokisi imali ehla kanye namakepisi. Namhlanje akusekho lokho. Amadoda sewamela kude eqala lebhokisi. Those handsome guys, they are scared of being dirty. I am testing. Kana manje. Imcabango yami cha akusiyone yami. Imcabango yami cha akusiyone yami. Imcabango yami cha akusiyone yami. Imcabango yami akusiyone yami. Nginobuka ingane engizalayo ngicabanga ukuthi uma wayo ngisithole sengilala nayo ile mcabango efika njalo. Sengisaba ngisho nokwashela ngoba le mcabango ingikhumbuza ngisesothandweni lo ekade ngithandana naye bekanezithandwa zakhe kwazise la amanzi amakhona phinda ahambe futhi. Kunjalo ngithi ngiyakhuleka ufike lo mcabango uthi awukumthandazo wakho ke waphendulwa nomuntu omthandazayo nawe unabantu bakhe pho wena ke ukuthandazelana. Kuna lo mcabango ufika njalo mangiyofuna umsebenzi uthi akungcono usitholele isibhamu uzibambele inkunzi ngoba impilo yokuyiphila phakathi ingconywana kuna impilo yokuphila manje la ngaphandle phakathi udla izinto zokugeza uthola mahala izinto ohluleka ukusithengela zona manje la ngaphandle. Uthi mawuhlulwa yilokho ayovula inkonzo uzibiza uNkulunkulu wabo ubethe bakholelwe ekuthenini uNkulunkulu uyaphila ngamahlenyama ubanikela izinkulungwane zamalandi mawuqeda uyibhubhuhle uthi khululeka ngikuphethe mawuhlulwa yilokho awuzibizisa ngoma mbumbulu. Kuthi umuntu ofikayo azocela usizo umtshela ukuthi akadingi usizo unobizo ajikese ngehlanya phela ngimthwasise angenabizo bekazocelela usizo imicabango yami. Kwesinye isikhathi iyangilungisa kanti kwesinye isikhathi iyangilahlekisa. Angcono ngiyona lundendende ufike nomcabango phakathi kwamabili uthi thatha na intambo sikhunge ubasizile abantu nabo wena bakusize ngani uyakhumbula nonke nihambisa ama CV bathathwa bonke wena wangathathwa ngakho thatha na into ayinabungozi hamba yonke lemize emihle ecebile umuncikazi labo imali yabo iyoza kuwe iphindapindene imicabango yami phendula umthakazi noma ngihamba egodini lothunzi lokufa angikwesabi gogo Sikhotheni aningithatheni ningisizeni nakungiphenduka isigcila sikamakhelwane ngimbonile umakhelwane wanginika isinkwa wanginikeza nalo itiya ngehlisa sona lesinkwa unokungithuma emagcekeni wabanye abantu athi kangifafaze ngifase amavido uthi kangifafaze ngifase amavido noma ngihamba esigodini sothunzi lokufa angikwenzi sabi
Yeah. The big five, come on stage. Big five, that's the stage. On stage, especially that this is the stage, especially that. Big five,